Let me give you like a story introduction. The last year, I just put my headline like from one conversation to a moment in India. So for the last year, I think I was discussing with a few of my colleagues like Emmanuel, Gabriel, that how if we will land Umbraco on India, like an education program. So I discussed with HQ team and with the support of HQ education team, I think the success story begins from here. So that's why I put a title like from the one conversation to momentum in India. Before that, I'll give you quick my introduction about that. Myself, Nikhil Prajapati, CEO at Giriraj Digital, and I'm an Umbraco MVP 3 times and a part of CMS advisory board in Umbraco. And I run Umbraco Users Group India as a community and contributing and collaborating all together to bring ecosystem in India. If I'll talk about my experience, I'll have around 13 years of experience starting from version number Umbraco 4, like a baby boy. So still I'm connected with Umbraco and I'm driving Meetup and Umbraco community in India. And yeah, so it started with a small conversation into the last year. You see the picture with Gabriel. Sorry, Emmanuel, I haven't a picture with you. And we were discussing that how, if we will brought Umbraco to India, what would be the situation? Because in India, we have the world's largest pool for the students. And this Umbraco education program will gonna help a lot to connect students to their education, to the professions. So I found a big opportunity in India and I discussed with HQ team. So the first stage comes as an opportunity. So the first part is why India? So the reason we have a population of 1.4 billions, we're the world's most populations nation. And there are the 3 reasons why we need it into the India. So the young talent pool, we all are hungry to learn and build something new. And the third one is it's a perfect ground to grow from a next generation from all the Umbracians. So now it's an opportunity. Now what's the next insight? So it's insights like why Umbraco? So there is only the region. I think it's, I still remember in Odense, there is a stairs, flexibility, friendly. And for me, I just changed it to the career defining. So the first step, it's easy to learn. It's a clean, friendly, and .NET CMS for all the newcomers. You can pick it up fast. Secondly, it's flexible and open. Of course, it's an open source, and we love that. And the third one is a career booster. So I'll give you that in the last slide that with the education program, what impact came and how many students get certified, and out of that, how many already get a job, and they are working with us in Giriraj Digital. So after that, all the opportunities and insights, we make a decision that Umbraco will land into India, and we started from Ahmedabad, where we belongs to. So the decision has bring the entire Umbraco education program to India. We started with Ahmedabad, and we have few others are lined up. And again, I'm gonna work on 3 points. The first point is that HQ support. Without that, it won't gonna happen. Second one is clear path and syllabus has been maintained. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to put Umbraco education program in any your country, city, it's easy. We have a big support from HQ team to, grow the ecosystem of students to Umbraco. And of course, as a gold partner, we are committed to make it happen, and we did that. So how the program begins? We decided to make it as a 2 days with fully planned program. The first day we started as a foundation, so we just okay. So we just started with some foundation program, and we discussed about what can be done with Umbraco. Like many of the organization is working in Umbraco, but the awareness is very low as we compare to India. So we started with foundation. Then on the second day, we have actually given a building to their Umbraco website. Let's assume like if you just started your first step into the university, and if you will create your website in just 2 days, You can feel the joy, right? How they are feeling that in 2 days, anyone can build their own CMS website. It's a massive success for them. And here is a quick statistics. That's the first result of that 15 days, 15 plus students attended. Out of that, you can see the last picture. I think they are the happy faces. They build their own website in just 2 days, which is completely dynamic. And they all get certified in just 2 days. So what I found is that for the real careers, from learners to professionals, this is a quick statistics. We train 15 plus students. Out of that, 10 plus get certified. And this is a massive success that out of that, 6 already got a job. We hired them, and right now they are working on Umbraco ecosystem. So this is a game changer for all the students who build their career in just 2 days, and they see what is the Umbraco's roadmap for the future. And here is the testimonials from their 3 students. The first one, he's still in the 5th semester. I think it's the 2nd year. I built my first real website in just 2 days. It's completely changed how I see my career. Second, getting Umbraco certified opened a door to my first live project in just 2 days. The last one, the training was hands-on and fun. I finally understood how the CMS works. So after that, like the students get certified, they got a job. Now we were discussing with some of the universities. So now the impact came on the institutional side. So one of the universities thinking to adopt Umbraco on a curriculum. So this is a big news for, it's still on the table. Let's see how it goes. So there are 3 things. The first one is Umbraco. It has to be part of an formal education. Then a repeatable model where we will assign the course sets, and we will grow more interest on Umbraco side. Here is a quick glimpse of the Umbraco Education Program. We just started with 2 people, me, myself, Asha. I think she became an MVP this year. And after that, I can say that what's the future from here we are seeking in India is that India is an emerging market for Umbraco. Like a growing community ready to help Umbraco to scale worldwide. And again, there are 3 things. The first one is untapped talent at scale. Colleges are still in discussion to get Umbraco more education programs in India, and it's a fuel for growth in Umbraco. That's it. I think I'll. So, and that's our tradition. So we will say it's like, these are the 5 students who gets career, like the 6th one is missing. And we'll call it like a namaste. Thank you.